everyone, всем привет, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Alla, the host of the show. I'm so excited to have you here today, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to make passion fruit marmalade with gelatin. Now you don't have to have any special ingredients. This is made with gelatin base and really easy to find in any supermarket. And of course, passion fruit is one of my favorite fruits. It's such an exotic, flavorful, sweet and sour flavor that I just can't get enough of it. I really hope you enjoy this video, and to get access to all my recipes you can become a member today on my website AllasYummyFood.com. I'll leave all the links down below in the description box so you can check it out and join thousands of other people just like you and start cooking. Now let's get started. We're going to be making passion fruit jelly candy. First thing we're going to do, we're going to soak our gelatin in ice cold water, mix it through and set this aside. These are very more like jelly candies. Over here I've got my sugar. Now what do you want to do? You want to place your passion fruit puree into a pot together with your sugar and mix everything together. We're then going to place it onto the stove and cook this for a couple of minutes until the mixture starts to bubble up. You really want to make sure all your sugar is fully melted and your temperature reaches above 60 degrees Celsius before adding anything else. Once your gelatin is bloomed, you're going to go ahead and add your bloomed gelatin and take the mixture off the heat and keep mixing the mixture until your gelatin is fully melted. Now prepare your tray. I'm just going to use a standard square banana bread tin. Add your parchment paper inside and then pour your passion fruit mixture in the middle. You're then going to want to place this into the fridge to set completely. This can take several hours to fully set, so just be patient. Once it's done, take your candy out and put it onto your board covered in sugar. Cut up into any pieces you like, and here's your passion fruit jelly. It is absolutely amazing, very nice and sharp passion fruit flavor, very stringy and absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Look how stringy they are and they just so fantastic.